Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Forer from TradeWinds.com, and this is our update for December 18th, 2019. Let's take a quick look at today's markets. We did see a mixed close today. The Dow finished lower by 27 points, while the S&P 500 finished lower by 1.5, so the win streak ends. And the nasdaq did manage to squeak out a gain, just 4 points. The Russell was also higher by 4 points. Another very quiet day overall. The bond market did pull back, and the yield on the 10-year note jumping to 1.926%. Crude oil finishing flat today after a smaller than expected decline for U.S. inventories, while gold finishing lower by about $1.80 at the official close, this on slight strength in the U.S. dollar. Now, after market close, Micron Technologies reporting earnings, quarterly earnings, and they beat on both the earnings and the revenue side. Company citing that it was an uptick in demand for memory chips, which had been quiet all year, but for this quarter bumped up and helped them beat estimates. After market close, the stock is higher by $1.85 or 3.49%. That's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on our next update.